I enrolled because I've always had a genuine interest in feeding people.
Because I'm super passionate about food. I have been since I was young.
Originally, I started in a mechanics program in a different school, and I didn't end up really liking the mechanics program, and I ended up dropping out of that one.
And so when I found this course, I knew that it's something that I needed to do.
As a student at VCC, I came into class every day, and I felt that the teachers really had a powerful and unique sense of teaching.
Because I can ask any questions that I have, I can get genuine responses and pushes in creativity and curiosity.
And it made the program feel so at home and so welcoming.
It really motivates me to keep on learning and feel safe enough to do so.
VCC has really instilled a bigger sense of confidence and validated my own hard efforts that I have put in.
I've realized that VCC has built a strong foundation and confidence for me to build on my skill and knowledge for the trade.
So when I go out into the future, I've done the trial and error and I have that genuine curiosity still in me, and I have this excitement and motivation to keep pushing even when I leave this program.
To be a recipient of the Coast Capital Saving Trades Award means a lot to me. It shows that people were watching and seeing how hard I was working. It showed that people wanted to reward me for the effort that I put into my work.
In this economy, getting this award has alleviated some of the financial pressures of getting an education, and I'm very thankful for that.
It's highly valuable to have a contribution to my education, especially as a person living in Vancouver. You know, it's hard to make ends meet, and I have a family to support.
I want to thank Coast Capital Saving for supporting the auto collision trade and for supporting the students financially who want to achieve a higher level such as Red Seal.
It's very motivating that Coast Capital supports the trades program, as it's given me this push to move forward in getting my Red Seal so I can provide food for the world.
As an Aboriginal person, it'll create an opportunity for me to get into a trade that I'm really passionate about. I would like to thank Coast Capital Savings
For supporting trades training
And education.